Have you ever gone searching for a totally free AI tool that can turn images into videos and ended up completely disappointed? Yeah, same here. Most of the tutorials out there are either pure clickbait or they talk up tools that pretend to be free, but really aren't. Some want you to pay up front, and others tease you with a few free credits, just enough to get you hooked, then slam you with a paywall. And the ones that do let you export a video often stick a huge watermark on it, or the quality is so bad it's basically useless. But here's the good news. You're watching this video right now, which means you're about to learn how to make unlimited, high-quality AI videos for free.
Oh my God! Wow!
No watermarks, no hidden fees, no nonsense. And yes, it works on both PC and mobile. By the time you finish this video, you'll know exactly how to whip up amazing AI-generated videos, whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, or just for fun. I'm going to show you the whole process step by step. No confusing tech talk, no fluff, just the real way it works. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and click the link in the description or the pinned comment. That'll take you straight to the tool's homepage. Right away, you'll see a gallery of videos that other people have created with this AI, and some of them look absolutely insane. Click on any video, and you'll see the exact prompt they used to make it. You can either copy that prompt to use for your own video, or tweak it to create something totally unique. Next, hit the Create Video button. That'll open up your personal workspace, kind of like your creative command center. This is where the real magic happens. But before you start making anything, there's one super important step. We've got to unlock those unlimited free credits. So pay close attention here. At the top of the screen, click the Charge button. That'll bring up a login page. Now listen carefully. Don't use your regular Gmail or personal email to sign up. If you do, you'll be stuck with limited credits. And we want unlimited credits instead. So here's the trick. We're going to use something called Temp Mail. Open a new tab and search for Temp Mail. Click the first site that pops up. This site gives you a temporary email address that works like a normal email, but you don't have to sign up or give away any personal info. But hold up, don't grab that first email you see. Scroll down a bit, hit delete, and then refresh the page. That'll give you a brand new email address that nobody else has used yet. Copy that new email. Go back to the AI tool, paste it into the sign up box, and click Get Code. Then switch back to the Temp Mail site and check your inbox. It usually takes just a few seconds. Once the verification email shows up, open it, copy the code, and paste it back into the AI tool. Set a password, and boom, you're in. And guess what? Now you've got 300 free credits sitting in your account. That's enough to make around 10 to 15 full AI videos with no watermarks, no paywalls, and no limits. And the best part? You can repeat the Temp Mail trick whenever you want more credits. So it's basically unlimited. Want more videos? Just rinse and repeat. But wait, don't leave yet. If you skip the next part, you could still end up with a watermark on your video, and nobody wants that. So here's what to do next. You're now inside the workspace. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a box where you can upload an image. Click that. Pick any image from your device. Maybe it's a character design you drew, a cool photo you saved, or even something totally random you want to bring to life. Once you choose one, it'll show up right there in your workspace. But if you don't have an image ready, don't stress. This tool's got your back. Just scroll down to the image prompt box and type in what you want to see. Something like a futuristic warrior standing on top of a skyscraper at sunset. Then hit Generate. Boom. In seconds, the AI will create a fresh image for you. Real talk though, these AI-generated images can be a bit hit or miss. Sometimes they're spot-on amazing. Other times, not so much. So if you want consistent results, especially for a series or brand, it's usually better to use images you've already saved or made in another tool. And if you're curious how to create consistent, pro-level AI images for free, drop me a comment. I'll make a full tutorial on that. All right, your image is ready. Now it's time to bring it to life. Look up at the top middle of your screen. You'll see an option for music. You can either pick something from the tool's built-in library or upload your own soundtrack. Next to that, there's a lip sync toggle. If you turn it on, the AI will animate your character's mouth to match your audio, perfect for storytelling or dialogue. If you turn it off, the animation still looks great, just without the mouth moving. That version costs only 30 credits, so choose based on what you're making. If you're going for a cinematic reel, maybe skip lip sync. But if you're narrating a short story or skit, definitely try it out. Scroll down a bit more and you'll see the main video prompt box. This is where you tell the AI how to animate your image. For example, if you're using that warrior image, you might write something like, "Camera zooms in slowly as the wind blows through the character's jacket, and neon lights flicker in the background." You're basically painting the scene here, telling the AI what kind of motion or vibe you want. Once you've typed in your prompt, take a deep breath. This is the big moment. Click the Generate Video button. Depending on your settings, it'll use either 30 or 60 credits, then start working. Usually, it takes about 1 to 4 minutes. But listen carefully. As soon as your video finishes, don't just sit there. Download it immediately. If you're on a computer, right-click the video and hit Save Video As. If you're on your phone, press and hold the video, then tap Download Video. Why the rush? Because if you wait too long, sometimes the site auto-applies a watermark, and once it's on there, it's stuck. So grab your video while it's still clean. You'll thank yourself later. Now hit play on your download and check it out. The results are insane. Smooth animation, crisp visuals. It looks like it was made by a whole animation studio. And you did it for free. And hey, if you do accidentally end up with a watermark, don't panic. Just regenerate the video and download it faster next time. But if that watermark still sneaks in somehow, I've got another trick for you. Go to a free website called Online Video Cutter. I'll drop the link in the pinned comment. You don't need to sign up. Just upload your video, click the little icon that says Remove Logo, drag over the watermark, hit save, and boom. Clean video, no watermark. Done. And remember, if you ever run out of credits, just repeat the temp mail trick and you're good to go. That's literally all you need to create unlimited AI videos without watermarks. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.